Thank you for your interest in going solar. In 2019, RB Green Energy plans to remove 42,342,574 pounds of coal burn, plant 1,002,936 trees, and eliminate 4,354,594 gallons of gasoline consumed. A risk-free energy assessment covers your attic, water heater, air conditioning, ventilation, pool, insulation, and energy dashboard, and determines if your home is eligible for our mission, how much this will cost, and how much we can put back into your pocket. Our radio protective technology reflects 97% of radiant heat and can reduce energy costs by 20%. The average solar home offsets about 100,000 pounds of carbon dioxide in 20 years, and the study by National Renewable Energy Laboratory concluded that such homes sell 20% faster and for 17% more. Customer service is our #1 priority. We have an A+, BBB rating and 4.8 with Google reviews. Visit us at the Dakota Design Center in Dania Beach or call 877-GO-SOLAR to begin your energy assessment.